Worried about having a baby which is too lean? A baby can be chubby or lean depending on many criteria. As we have said in many of our videos, every child is unique and hence a comparison should not be done. However, if you're worried to know the reasons for weight loss in babies and about your baby not gaining weight, check out this video till the end. Let's know the 5 reasons for weight loss in babies. Breastfeeding before mealtime after starting solids. It is advisable to avoid feeding breast milk before mealtime as it will fill up baby's tummy and curb the hunger of the baby, thereby reducing the food intake. Just like breastfeeding, even water should not be fed to the baby before mealtime. Prolonged gap of time between 2 breastfeed or 2 meals. Avoid keeping long gaps between 2 meals of the baby. The reason being, long gap can create gas in babies. This in turn will lead to bloating, which makes the baby reject food, causing weight loss eventually, and this is another reason for weight loss in babies. A baby should be fed meals or snacks every 2-3 hours to avoid indigestion or constipation. You can check our blog for a lot of snack options which can be given to baby. Bathing after feeding. It is better to avoid bathing your baby right after feeding. Baby takes time to digest food, and if she is bathed soon after feeding, it slows down the digestion process, which in turn leads to constipation, indigestion, gas, etc. It is recommended to bathe and then feed the baby so that all the nutrients get absorbed and digested by the body. Too many junk food, sweet or store-bought savory. Babies need healthy and nutritious food for weight gain. Many parents fall in the trap of serving them junk food just in the hope of putting some food in their stomach and making them full, but in the long run, it won't be beneficial. When the child consumes too much junk food or sugary items, it fills up his or her tummy, which eventually interrupts his appetite and he ends up eating less. Reduced sleep. One of the main reasons for weight loss in babies is lack of sleep. If the baby doesn't get required amount of sleep throughout the day, then it can interfere with the weight gain. Wet diapers or any other discomfort can disturb the sleep of the baby, so have a check at that. So it is important to ensure that baby sleeps peacefully to remain healthy. Hey people, hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to people who will find it useful, and we will see you in yet another video. For that you will have to click on that subscribe button, and thank you for watching till now. Bye bye.